Okay, so today I'm going to give you a little overview of Google Drive, a kind of basic introduction. I'm sure after this video you're going to still have lots of questions, so remember I'm here to come in and help and work through this with you. So, how do we get onto Google Drive? Well, we can simply go to google.co.uk and type in the search bar Google Drive. There is a direct web link that you can go to, which is drive.google.com, or you can just click the link there. So, upon the first page you'll see that it gives you a very brief overview of what Google Drive is. And as it says there, it's a new home for Google Docs. It enables you to access your data everywhere on any device. So this works on an iPad, it works on a laptop, it works on mobile phones. It stores your data safely and securely, and it also allows you to collaborate with lots of different people, which in our circumstances is great for working on our policies. So, the first step is to sign in. You will need a Google account to do this. You may have a Google account because you have Gmail or you have used YouTube or other Google services before. If not, you can sign up by pressing this red button in the top right hand corner. This takes about 2 minutes and it's nice and quick and simple. In time, we hope to be able to use our IPACA domain names with Google services. However, at the moment, you'll need to create an account to use this process. So I'm going to log in with my example here, which is digitalipaca@gmail.com. I'm going to enter my password and I'm going to click the sign in button. As soon as we load, you'll see that we've got My Drive. It says My Drive here and My Drive on the left. This is my online cloud storage area where I store my documents and work collaboratively with people. From this menu, I can create a document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, etc. using Google Docs. Alternatively, I can upload a file from my computer. When a file is uploaded to my drive, it can be accessed from anywhere. The second tab here is Shared with Me. If you click this button, you can see any documents that have recently been shared with you. As you can see, I haven't got any there at the moment. However, as we start to collaborate with each other on documents, you'll see that they start popping up in this area. So let's go back to My Drive and share with you the IPACA policies. These are the policies we've currently got uploaded to date, and if I want to go in and work on one of them, I can simply click and it will take us through. So here's a document that Jane's uploaded, and you can see that instantly I've got the tools to start working on this. Any changes I make happen instantly and are instantly saved back to the cloud. There we say, look, all changes saved in Drive. This happens instantly, so if Jane goes in to look at this document now, she'll see that those changes are happening. The great thing about Google Drive is that more than one person can work on it at a time, meaning that changes can constantly happen and you can work collaboratively, truly together. Okay, so I'm here with Jane and we're going to give you a little demo, first of all, of Google Drive. Google Drive works in the same way as Dropbox or any other cloud storage systems. It enables you to have an online area where you can store documents and share them with others. And then the particular benefit of Google Drive over something like Dropbox is that it's got built-in tools to edit those documents. So you've got the Google Docs platform. So let's just share an example that Jane has shared with me. So I've got my drive here, and if I click on the left where it says shared with me, you'll see that I've got the document session which Jane shared with me on November the 9th, as it says here. If I click session, it will open it up. I can instantly see the live document that Jane's been working on. Gary will lead some interactive demonstration for about 30 minutes. Indeed I will, and indeed I will. I am looking forward to it. I can then add more. So I could leave a question here for Jane. I could say, Jane, is there anything in particular you would like me to share. Next time Jane logs on, she can see that and she can add to that. And it just so happens that Jane is alive now, and she is on a iPad sitting next to me. Say hello, Jane.
Hello, hi.
And Jane can now edit that document. She's working on an iPad, and because we're both on together, we can see those changes as Jane types them in. But we can also, you'll see that there's a note there saying that it's Fuchs Portland that's editing the document. This is nice for tracking changes, etc. You don't have to be on the document at the same time. You can share the link with as many people as you want to, and you can also choose whether the people can just view the document or you give them permission to edit the document. This document is continuously being saved, so we don't need to click the save button. It is continually saved back to the shared drive. And of course this is fantastic because it's simple, it's easy, and it's completely free. Google gives you 5 gigabytes of storage to get started. There are ways you can earn extra storage by recommending people, or alternatively you can purchase extra storage at a really reasonable rate. This is compared to Dropbox's storage, which is 2 gigabytes for free. So it's a great starting point. On top of this, any documents that you create in Google Docs itself does not count towards your storage limit. So if you've uploaded a document from Microsoft Word into the cloud, that counts towards your storage. If you instead create it in Google Docs to start off with, that doesn't count towards your storage. And obviously you can see Google are trying to move you away here from using the generic Office software, but there's no reason why you can't export any of this back to Microsoft Word once you've edited it. It supports all range of file formats, PDF, Pages files from Mac, all sorts of different things. So there you can see Jane's added her comments. I can delete my original question if I wanted to. You know, you've got all the tools that you would expect from a general word processing tool, and we find it just really good to use, and simple and cheap.